What's up, Snackers? It's your girl B.
And your man C.
We're coming to you live and direct from the backyard today. Today we're going to be talking about a box that we got from Snack Nation. It's like a health snack food place or whatever that you can order from. This is the trial box, and I can't remember how much it was, but it was pretty cheap. So the cool thing about Snack Nation is every purchase you make, every subscription, every monthly plan, they donate a meal every time they send a box out. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's real cool. That's the best thing about the box.
Not only are you getting a chance to try different snacks and hopefully finding healthier options for you and yourself, but you're also getting to provide a meal to someone in need.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll go ahead and open it up. I'm not quite sure how many snacks come in the box, but okay, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So there's a card that's a $5 off your next box. However, I do know to get the $5 off, you do have to go on line through an email that they send you, and you have to rate the snacks according to how they taste and stuff. And then at the completion of the survey, I believe they send you a email or something, a coupon for the $5 off. So if you don't, it'll make your box $9.99 for the month, but if you do, I believe it's $4.99. So you see there's just random snacks in here. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 snacks in the box. So that's actually really good because like I said, I know it was pretty cheap, whatever price I did pay to order the trial box. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started and taste and rate and all that great stuff. We've actually been very excited about this box, because even though it is healthy snacks, and we're usually not a healthier snack eating couple.
Not me.
Especially not him. If it's a vegetable, he will run.
Yes.
I can eat raw vegetables. I can eat cooked vegetables. I can eat unseasoned. Him, however, his vegetables consist of a can, salt, pepper, and lots of butter. So that is his vegetable. But, alright, babe, go ahead. You can pick the first one. And there's a great variety in here, actually. Okay, this is what he picked. He's picked the skinny dipped almonds. They're dark chocolate almonds. So, I like almonds, and I do like dark chocolate.
I like almonds and chocolate.
So, I think these are going to be pretty good. It says gluten-free, so that's awesome. Non-GMO. So, plant protein, 7 grams. That's really good. So, they're packaged well, so I'm sure they're fresh.
Fresh.
I don't know. They do kind of stick to the pack. Okay. There we go.
Why is she waiting? They look like this. If y'all can see. Gummy, chocolatey.
They're not thickly coated. It definitely is a very dark chocolate.
Yeah.
So it's kind of bitter.
Yes. This is something I don't think I eat again. Nah.
It's almost like a cocoa-y powdered chocolate on there. So, I don't know if you can see that on my finger, but yeah, it's bitter. I wouldn't go out and buy them. I would eat them. I mean, they're not nasty, but they're definitely, if you like sweeter chocolate and more of a creamier chocolate, this is not what you want at all.
At all.
But it is good now. Healthy alternative.
Yes.
To chocolate.
Yes.
Covered almonds. Yes.
Fact.
So, I will say, I mean, I would eat them again. I would not buy them, but if they were given to me, like, I will finish that pack. But, alright, so.
Not I.
I didn't think him. So next I'm going with this just because I was excited when I saw it in the box. It is Parm Crisp. Sorry, but I am a big fan of cheese. So I'm excited about these. It's oven baked Parm Crisp, 100% cheese snack. So if you like cheese, and especially Parmesan cheese, I'm sure these are delicious. Healthy alternative to chips. This bag is 100 calories. Sodium, a little high. 230 milligrams. So, I mean, you weigh your options. I kind of try to watch my sodium here lately, but.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Very good. You like it? Okay, could you see them on a salad?
Yes.
Or spaghetti?
Yeah.
Like softened with
Something
the sauce?
like that, yeah.
I mean, I can see them just like this, but that's me. It tastes like a really good cheese straw.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
A cheese straw.
Yeah. If I can get this one out of my mouth.
I like it.
It's all right to me.
It is very flavorful. Very crunchy.
Yes, it's flavor, but I'll let that pass.
Like I said, you could eat them as an alternative for a chip, or I really feel like they'd be good if you sprinkled them on a salad.
Yeah.
Especially, what do you call it?
What is that?
I'm trying to think. Caesar salad. Very good on Caesar salad, I bet. And also, I think it would be good sprinkled on spaghetti with sauce, but. Okay. So, babe, you're up.
So we'll go with
honey roasted sunflower kernels. That's interesting. ZZ's. Well, there you go, ZZ. That's a creepy little, like, voodoo looking ghost.
That sounds like you're going to sleep or something. ZZ.
Take these before bed and get your ZZs. They're packaged well like the almonds. It says honey roasted. They're very, very tiny. I don't know if you can see that, but they're very, very tiny, just little sunflower kernels.
Yeah, like sunflower seed, but nutty.
Well,
if that's the word.
Yeah, there's sunflower kernels, so that's the inside of the seed. They're good. They're good. Sweet.
Sweet.
They have a little crunch to them, but they're not hard at all.
At all.
And like you chew them up, it's kind of like honey roasted peanut butter almost.
Honey roasted peanuts.
Yeah. But not as hard to chew. You want some more?
With honey roasted peanut with less flavor. I say less flavor, not with the, you know, what you call it.
Like the peanutty flavor?
Yes.
Yeah. It's more of like a subtle nut flavor.
Yes.
It's good though. You want more?
Yeah.
I like that they're already deshelled. I like sunflower seeds, but I hate the fact you have to deshell them.
These are good.
Yeah, I'm putting these over here because I'm going to eat all of them. They are really good.
They're real good. Yeah, I buy those.
Facts. Let me see. Sodium's only 65 milligrams. 6 grams of protein just in this little pack. Yeah, that's a keeper. Okay. So, it's my pick now. And I am going to go with the Live bar. It says eat real food on the back. It's a blueberry vanilla kale organic superfood bar. I don't know how he's gonna feel about this, but I like the color of the packaging. says gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, corn-free, GMO-free. So you're eating like seaweed. With Ooh, woo, smell it. It's strong smelling.
Wow.
It's almost like you remember back in the day when the mall had like those candle barns, and you go by and it smells like candle. Like
wow.
all one candles at one time, like all the candles at one time.
I don't know. Should I try this?
Oh, you have to remember that's the rule. We have a rule. You have to taste it unless you're allergic to it. So it is what it is. If this was like a chocolate covered bug, then we'd have to taste the chocolate covered bug.
But how would you know you're not allergic to it unless you try it? So I gotta try it.
Right? Because you might be allergic to kale. Let's hope not. I don't know.
I hope not. Praise the Lord, I don't.
Or this may be the last episode.
Let's pray.
But I don't know if you can see it or not. Oh, it actually shows up pretty good. You see there's like all these little seeds and it looks like blueberries and different stuff. It actually looks like a bird treat. Don't it look like those things you hang in a bird?
Yes.
Yeah. Really. All right. And it breaks apart, kind of crumbly and kind of sticky and mushy. It's almost like oatmeal piled together with weirdness.
Wow.
That's not a big enough bite.
Big bite? You know,
this is a big bite.
This is a taste test.
Babe, that's not big enough to taste.
I can taste this.
Okay. Okay. Look at his little piece. Look at that. You can't even see it. Look.
Where y'all at? All right there.
Look at that little piece compared to this. Okay.
No. No. Bird food.
Fat.
Bird food.
Definitely bird food.
Bird food. You eat seeds, nothing but seeds.
There is the weirdest textured stuff.
I don't know what the hell. How do you know this stuff? How do you know this stuff meant to eat me?
It tastes, I'm telling you, it tastes like the way those candle places in the mall used to smell when you walk by. Yankee candles, you can smell all the potpourri in the candles.
Oh, man. That's nasty. And I'm being for real.
And the odd thing is I continue to taste it just to see if maybe.
Nah. She eat anything. You ever, I don't know how old y'all is out there, but, you know, back in the day, they had a commercial called Mikey cereal. And his brother knew he used to eat anything. So he wanted to try to see. He wanted to try the cereal, but he didn't try the cereal. So he made his brother Mikey try the cereal. So Mikey tried the cereal. Mikey liked it. So they had the commercial said he liked it. Mikey liked it. But I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going with that story, but I think this Mikey right here.
Well, he thinks I eat everything because I'll taste everything. I'll try it. I mean, his have to have like 80,000 tons of sugar on it and 80,000 pounds of butter.
I actually think I eat the same food.
Over and over.
Over and over.
Chicken, French fries.
More chicken.
Hamburgers. More chicken.
Than anything.
All right, it's your turn, babe. We're down to our last two.
We're gonna go with this caramel because I think this will get the taste out of our mouth. Here you go, baby.
Yeah, this is a caramel almond and sea salt Kind Thins bar. It's, I don't know. I've seen some of the Kind products, but I'm excited to try this.
Me too. Hope it get this nasty taste out of my mouth.
I don't know. It looks like it's got some of the same stuff.
No, it looks like it's sweet. I hope so. I'll tell you. Let y'all see it out there in the world.
Turn around to the front where you can see like the seeds and that.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Pretty good. Put a smile on my face. Pretty good. I'm getting another piece of that.
Okay.
You know it's good.
You can have that.
I haven't even took the other piece. No, I'm gonna save some of this because it's just that good. Let's try that little taste.
It's good.
It's good. If you want that, you can have it now.
It tastes like a. Hold on. It's very chewy. Very good.
It's good. I don't think I can say it's good.
Yeah.
We can eat that.
Almost like a granola bar,
Facts. Facts.
but chewier and just sweeter. I don't know. It's really good.
Real good.
Very strong taste of caramel.
Ooh, good.
But there's also a very strong taste of almond, but it just blends well together. It's very, very good. Yeah.
So good.
Gluten-free too. Non-GMO. So,
You can have it.
only 4 grams of sugar. I actually am going to this last little piece. Thank you, babe.
That was good. We have one more item.
Yes. Sorry. This is by Appleways. It's a blueberry simply wholesome oatmeal bar. Has 8 grams of whole grain fiber. All natural flavors, no preservatives. So, we'll see. Probably be good. Probably be like a breakfast bar, like those Nutrigrain bars. Smells good.
Yeah, it smells good.
Not that much icing on it, so don't let the package trick you. So, I don't see a lot of fruit filling either. I'll show you. I don't know if you can see it up close, but right over here in the corner where it looks like there's a hole hollowed out, that's where they injected just a little bit of apple or blueberry, whatever it is. So,
Good.
it's okay. Kind of dry for my liking. I would like to bit into it like a cereal bar and there'd be blueberry filling.
Now that'd be good.
I would actually probably heat this up a little.
It tastes like a, you warm it up, it tastes like a swirl, what that is?
A strudel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's almost like a blueberry muffin or something, but I think it'd be good actually if you heated it up and then poured milk over it and broke it up.
That's good.
It is good.
You can taste
It almost tastes like a Pop-Tart.
Yes. A blueberry Pop-Tart. That was delicious.
Yeah. Okay, so, babe, what was your favorite one out of everything?
My favorite?
Your first, just rate them. Favorite to least favorite.
This was my favorite.
The blueberry bar?
The blueberry bar was my favorite. My favorite. What was this? I didn't taste this.
That was the almonds, remember?
Yeah.
You didn't like it. You said you wouldn't.
This is my second.
The kind bar.
The kind bar. My third was these.
Sunflower
The
kernels.
sunflower. The ZZs. That
ZZs.
take you to sleep. Okay, those my
Top 3.
My top 3 are best that I like. My first worst is
This is the nastiest one to you. The kale bar. Blueberry
I
vanilla
would throw
kale bar.
this away. This going in the garbage.
Yeah.
We would not eat this no more. It's going to
Yeah.
garden. So if y'all see these in the store, don't buy it. Please don't buy
No,
it.
that's not true. It's not don't buy it. It just wasn't to our liking.
Yes. Excuse me for saying that. My second, these. Last, those. That's it.
Okay, well, my first favorite were the farm chips. Like I said, I love cheese, and I love chips. I prefer salt, like crunchiness over sweet. So that's my first. My second would be the sunflower seeds. My third would be the blueberry bar, the kind bar, the almonds, and last and definitely least in my category is the
Bird
bar.
food.
Bird food. Oh, you heard it. There it went. Actually, it's over with. So, no, don't throw it. The dog can get it.
Yes.
He was going to throw it.
I'm gonna throw this, but I'm gonna wait till we take our dog in the house.
He's going to come back out and eat it.
No, I'm gonna put it on the bird trap.
Oh, yeah. Not
and
the
let
trap. We ain't
the
trapping
bird
birds.
trap. And let the bird.
It's a bird feeder. We have a bird
it's
feeder.
a bird feeder, but you know, whatever she want to call it or whatever, whoever want to call it, it's the bird's gonna eat it. So
Right.
I'm gonna put it there.
The bird trap. Like,
the bird trap.
we're trapping birds and killing them
Trap
here.
the bird. Trap the bird.
And on the next edition, 5 backyard birds that barbecue up well.
Nah.
No, I'm just
We
kidding.
love animals.
Yeah, we do, right?
We really do.
We do love them. Now, we're not fond of some of them, but those are the ones we're scared of, and we're not going to touch them anyway, so. Anyway, so
we dedicate this taping here to our beloved
Bubba,
boy, Bubba.
who recently passed away, and we miss him and love him.
Yes.
And the one that you hear now is Billy, and my sister calls him Wild Billy, and that's for a reason. Bubba was definitely a very special dog who was very
Yes.
much human-like.
Yes.
Never even had to
very.
be potty trained or housebroken. Billy, however, is a 7-month-old dog that is definitely giving us a run for our money and showing us what a puppy
But very
is
sweet.
all about. But he's very sweet.
Very lovely.
Very,
Lovely.
very loyal, very happy to have a home. We do suggest adopting a pet if you are able to financially take care of them, as well as provide them a loving home and time. Time is very important to animals, just like it is to humans. But other than that, we appreciate you spending time with us.
Yes.
We appreciate you, listening, watching us eat food, because that's kind of crazy, but hey, we do it ourselves. So we look forward to the next box, the next experience, and who knows where we'll end up next time.
Yes.
Holla!
Holla, bala.